Welcome. In day 2 of section 5.4, we're going to move into using the sum and difference identities that we learned earlier in the section to verify some identities, and then we'll be using it also to solve some trig equations. So for the first one here, we see that this expression cosine pi over 2 minus x fits with one of our difference identities, the difference identity for cosine. So we can just use that identity to rewrite this as the cosine of pi over 2 times the cosine of x plus the sine of pi over 2 sine of x. Evaluating the parts of that we can, cosine of pi over 2, that would be cosine of 90, and the value of cosine there is 0. So we have 0 times the cosine of x plus the sine of pi over 2, which is 1 times sine of x. So that, of course, simplifies to just sine of x. And so we have verified our cofunction identity for the cosine and sine. Next example is similar, but here we're looking at what they call a reduction identity. And the idea of a reduction identity is it's kind of reducing the angle. See how we have the theta minus pi over 2. So this identity is suggesting that if we have the cosine of an angle, we can always take that and subtract pi over 2 and have the sine of that angle then. So using, again, our cosine difference identity, we write this as cosine of theta cosine pi over 2 plus sine theta sine pi over 2, and evaluate the parts we know. So we know that the cosine of pi over 2, just as we had in the last example, is 0. So cosine of theta times 0 plus the sine of theta times sine of pi over 2, or 1. And we get, again, that that is equal to the sine of theta. To verify this identity, in the next one, looking at tangent, we want to show that tangent of x minus 360 is just tangent. Well, just thinking about the idea of our coterminal angles should really pretty much satisfy that one in our mind, but let's go through the steps of verifying that. So our tangent difference identity is the tangent of the first, so tangent of x minus the tangent of the second, over 1 minus the tangent of the first times the tangent of the second. So we want to look at this and think, well, what is tangent of 360? Well, that would be the same as the tangent of 0. So the tangent of 0 is 0. That leaves us with tangent x minus 0 over 1 minus tangent of x times 0, which is just then the tangent of x over 1, or tangent of x. And there we have a verification that the tangent of x minus 360 is equal to the tangent of x. And now verify this cofunction identity using the same methods. And the answer is A.